Hi friends, in this video we will learn about casting. Casting is nothing but converting one data type to another data type is known as casting. So since I am telling data type, we have two different types of data type in Java. One is primitive data type, another one is non-primitive data type. Converting primitive data type classified into two types. One is widening, another one is narrowing. Widening, the name itself tells small memory data type to large memory data type. That is, integer is a small memory data type compared to long. If we convert integer to long, this we call it as widening. Integer to double, also called as widening. So narrowing, the name itself tells large memory data type to small memory data type. That is, long is large memory data type converting into int, that is small memory data type. Similarly, double to int. So this type of conversion we call it as primitive data type conversion, that is widening and narrowing. You can see an example here. Int a equal to 10. This is the integer data type. I am converting that integer data type variable to long data type variable. This is called widening, and widening is automatic in Java. That means we no need to write extra things. We can directly assign small memory data type variable to large memory data type variable. But when we are performing narrowing operation, that is converting large memory data type to small memory data type, that is a equal to b, it is giving compilation error saying long cannot be converted to int. So in order to convert that, we need to mention something here saying int. We need to specify that int here so that it will convert to integer data type and then it will assign that value to a variable. Hope you understood. And coming to non-primitive data type, in non-primitive data type we call it as upcasting and downcasting. This casting can only be applicable only inherited classes. So inheritance is nothing but when there is a parent child relationship. So child class objects to parent class variable. So here I took an example. Class A, this is a parent class. Class B, that extends to A, so B is child class. I created a parent class object variable and I am creating a child class object and I am assigning this child class object to the parent class variable. This is called upcasting. Upcasting in Java is automatic. What is downcasting? Downcasting is nothing but parent class object to child class variable. I created a child class variable. B is child class here and I am assigning parent class object. I'm creating a parent class object here and assigning it to objb variable. So you can see there is a compilation error because downcasting is not automatic in Java. We need to specify to which object that needs to be converted. So here I am converting it to B object. So I'm giving B here. The same way how narrowing works, the same way downcasting works. We need to convert it to the specified data type and then we need to assign that object to that particular data type variable. Hope it is clear. If you still have any concerns, please make a comment. I'll address it. Thanks for watching.